Hi guys, here we go. We are graphing multiple transformations right now. We are on the worksheet that you got on Wednesday with the substitute. It was homework Wednesday night. I went over problems 1 and 5 in the classroom, and now I'm going to do a couple other problems. I'm going to look at number 2 right now. Number 2 looks like a parabola because I see the y equals x squared. You identify the parent function by ignoring the negative, ignoring the dividing by 2, ignoring the plus 4. The overall big idea or big theme here is y equals x squared. I have that parent function graphed right here with these dots at 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and then their mirror images on the other side of the y-axis. Okay? So that is the parent function. Next, we go through our 3 questions. Does it reflect? Does it dilate? Does it translate? The answer to all 3 of these would be yes. Yes to the reflection. It reflects downward, vertically, over the x-axis because of the negative outside the parent function. So as you can see here, I'm taking all of the points that were on the parent function and I'm reflecting them downward over the x-axis. The point 3, 9 will become 3, -9. So you can see here that I have lightly traced the reflection of y equals x squared. That would be the graph of y equals negative x squared when you flip it downward. Next question, does it dilate? The answer to that is going to be yes. It dilates because of that 2 down there. And that is going to multiply. I know it says x divided by 2. That means you need to put in larger x's to produce the same y. It's going to stretch the graph horizontally by 2 times the scale factor of 2. So all of these points that you see here, 1, -1, will become 2, -1. 2 down 4. 2, -4 will become 4, -4. All of their x's are going to get stretched out. Since you are dividing the input x by 2, you need to double the size of the old inputs. 3, -9 will become 6, -9. It reflects, or it stretches outward. The same happens on the opposite side of the y-axis. -1 becomes -2. Left 2 becomes left 4. Left 3 becomes left 6. So as you can see here, we have stretched the graph of y equals negative x squared out to become y equals negative x over 2 squared. You can graph that on your calculator right now. You might not be permitted to do it on the test, but if you're exploring, try it on your calculator, see if it makes that graph. Dividing the x by 2 makes the parabola wider. Finally, does it translate? And the answer to that will also be yes. It does translate because of the plus 4 that you see there. So my final answer is going to be to take that graph, yes, up 4, by bumping every point up 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the point 2, -1, up 2, 3, 4. Take the point 4, -4, up 2, 3, 4. And finally, 3, it's not 3 anymore, 6, -9 will move up 2, 3, 4. So it's a wider parabola, it's a reflected parabola, and it's a parabola that has bumped up 4. The mirror image should be on the other side, 1, 2, 3, dot, 1, 2, 3, dot, and 1, 2, 3, dot. That's your final answer. Y equals negative x over 2 squared bumped up 4. I just caught a mistake. Glad I caught it before I left. This point should have gone up 1, 2, 3, 4. This point up 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I only bumped them up 3. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so those guys should be a little bit higher than I had them. So everything bumps up 4. Final answer.